channel. Every one of us likes good handwriting. Here, I will teach you cursive writing. When we write cursive writing, always the letters should be towards right side. We never write cursive writing in a straight line. Always the letters should be slanting towards right side. So let's start. First let us start A. See here, A. So for writing B, first you write a letter, slanting letter like this. Then B, C. See, there is not much changes. C. Next D. D also a slanting line. Then like this. D. Next E. F. G. G we can write in 4 lines. That will be beautiful. We can write in 4 lines. G. H. H. I. I. Then J also, just like I we can write, but it should be in 4 lines. J. Next K. K. L. M. N. O. P. P also, just like previously, we can write one line, then like this. P. Q. R. R also same like P. R. Next S. T. U. V. W. X. Y. And Z. These are the capital letters. For writing this capital letter, it is easy. So other than this, any beautiful way also we can write cursive writing capital letters. But there are some strict rules are there for writing the small letters. For that, first let us write small letter A. For writing small letter A, we are starting from third line A. And we never stop the letters towards down. For example, we won't write stop like this. Always the end part towards up. That means we should end the letters like this. Hope it is clear. So A, B, C, like this we have to write B. See, always the ending part should be towards top. Then C. C also, C like this we will write C. D. D also we will start from third line. See, this is D. Next one, E is easy. This is E. And F we have to note, F we will write in 4 lines. So we will write, as we started earlier, we will start like this, down, then in the middle like this, F. G also, it will be easy for you. G. So we have to select for G, we have to select the lower 3 lines. Then H. H is also, it is easy. H. And I is very simple. I. So in cursive writing, instead of putting a dot, we have to make one small round we have to write. That will make more attractive. So we are, instead of putting a dot, we have to make a small dot. H I J. J also we have to we have to select the lower 3 lines. J. Next one is K. K we have to write like this. Same line we have to come down. Then like this. This all the small letters, we should not raise the hand while writing. Okay? K, L, M. All the letters you can note, the ending part should be towards up. N, O. O, see that it is coming from third line, then like this. O. P. P you have to see how P like this, then in the same line going like this and like this. P. Then Q. Q also like this from the third line, like this, like this. Next R. R we have to write like S, but you have to write here like this. R. Yes, S is like capital letter only, same. S. T. U. V. W. X. X you have to see like this. X. Like this, like this. For writing X, we should not raise the hand. First like this, like this, like this. This is cursive writing X. Y. Y lower 3 lines. And Z also we can use lower 3 lines like this. So we have written all the 26 letters, and the common thing I have to say it, always the letters should be towards right side, and we never end the letters towards down. We will always make all the letters ending parts towards up. You can see like this. Okay, if we know these basic letters, very easily we can combine them. For example, if we want to write an, so we have learned that A is like this, and if we want to join an, N, how it is N is starting from here. So this part it rises up and we will write an like this. So an. So in the same way we can write all the letters. So comparatively, capital letters don't give much importance, but small letters we should know that we have to use. Always we have to use this correct format. Small letters we have to use. So by knowing this, whatever the ways we can write very easily. For example, if we want to write science, we can write science. So see that letters are not straight, but it is towards right side. If you want to write maths, so we can write like this, whatever we can write. School. And one more theory is there. Suppose if you are writing first letter capital letter, if the capital letter is written first, usually the remaining letters that won't be attached to first letter. If for writing science, yes, we will write. Usually the C we won't attach to S. For mathematics, M we have written, but A we didn't attach to M. This is a rule. Just you have to practice it, and very easily we can make a beautiful handwriting. And everyone can improve the handwriting if you take little care and follow these steps. Thank you.